Hello my Dieva Crew, I'm Godiva Beauty. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you this 4th of July eyeshadow look. What I did was took a red eyeshadow, packed it in around my crease and blended it out. Then I just added a little bit of black around my crease as well. Take the concealer of your choice and cut your crease. Then take some white eyeshadow, start out at the front piece because the middle piece is going to be blue eyeshadow. I ended up adding more concealer to the edge, making this a complete oval because I wanted to add more white. Then you guys take some light blue and just go on the outside parts of the blue, pretty much mixing the white and the blue together. I ended up adding glitter around the crease and I added some eyelashes. Thanks for watching guys. If you want to see more, follow and like all my social networks at Godiva Beauty.